The Silhouette Design Store is filled with fonts available for download. This video will show you how to download and install a font and also access its characters outside of Silhouette Studio. While many fonts are downloaded and installed automatically by the Silhouette Studio software, certain classes of fonts require direct installation on your computer. When you're in the Design Store, click on the Fonts filter and you'll see a choice of craft fonts and premium fonts. When choosing craft fonts, these types of fonts have a single style and should sync automatically to your Silhouette library. When choosing premium fonts, these types of fonts include extra glyphs and sometimes come in sets of complementary fonts or families. The premium fonts generally come with a lot more characters, and many come with more than one style of font. For example, if we look at the premium font Magnolia Plantation, it's a font duo. It has a regular version and an inline version. To see a sample of the font options, type some text and choose Preview. You won't see much difference between the OTF and TTF previews of the same name. Look for the different name titles. Here's another premium font called Amisteri. This one has a lot of glyphs, 2 complementary fonts, and an extra font full of icons and symbols. Another difference with premium fonts is you may see a warning telling you the font has to be downloaded and installed manually. I'll show you how to download this type of font, and you can click this button for online written instructions. Add the font to your cart and check out. Users who do not have Silhouette Studio will need to create an account for all Silhouette purchases. When the checkout process is complete, click on View or Download Items. This takes you to your order page. If you skip that step and want to find your font purchase later, go to your account settings in the Design Store, choose My Download History, and find the order with your font or fonts. On the order page, check the box to download any fonts from that order and choose Download Now. A zipped folder will be downloaded to your default download location, and it will be named after the Design Store order number. To install the font or fonts on a PC, navigate to the folder where you've downloaded it, or you may be able to access it from the Download section of your browser. Unzip or extract the folders until you find the OTF or TTF files. Right-click or double-click and choose Install. Remember, there may be more than one if there are multiple styles or both OTF and TTF options. Either the OTF or TTF option will work, but I generally choose the OTF option. To install the font on a Mac, navigate to the default download location, or it may be in the Download section of your browser. Open the downloaded folder and double-click on the font to install. A font management window will open. Select the Install option in the lower right of the window. The font management window will close, indicating that the font has been installed. For Silhouette Studio users, if the program is open when you manually install any fonts, you should exit Silhouette Studio and then open it again before those fonts are available. Once Silhouette Studio is open, you can find all installed fonts in the Text Style panel. Members of a font family, if it applies for the selected font, can be accessed using the options directly below the font list. A few fonts have others you can access by using the drop-down arrow. Designer Edition users can access glyphs in the Glyphs tab. Now I'll show you how to access glyphs if you are using the basic edition of Silhouette Studio, if you can't find all the glyphs for specialty fonts, or if you need to access glyphs outside of Silhouette Studio. On a PC, access your character map by doing the following. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. Type in CHARMAP and press Enter. The character map window will appear. In the Font drop-down, navigate to the font you want. Check the box next to Advanced View. The character set should show Unicode. In Group By, all will show by default. Most or all of the font's characters should be showing. If you still can't find special characters you think you should see for that font, change Group By to Unicode Subrange. The Group By window will pop up next to the Character Map window. Scroll to the bottom of the Group By window and select Private Use Characters. Additional glyphs, if available for that font, will be displayed in the Character Map. To use a character you see in the Character Map, click on the character you want to insert, click Select, click Copy, and now go to the program you want to use it in. In Silhouette Studio, click Paste or Ctrl-V. Now select that character and choose the same font in the text style panel that you used in the Character Map. You can paste characters from the Character Map into other supported programs that use text also. On a Mac, you can access all available glyphs through your computer's font book. Open the Finder, open the Applications option, open the Font Book application, select the View menu, select the Repertoire option. Find and select the character you want, copy and paste it into your document. To use it in Silhouette Studio, click Paste or Command-V. Select that character and choose the same font in the text style panel that you used in Font Book. That's it! Now you know how to purchase and install premium fonts from the Silhouette Design Store, how to find all the glyphs or special characters from your fonts, and how to get those characters into the program you're using, whether it's Silhouette Studio or not. Thanks for watching.